Welcome back, future criminologists. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of violation of neutrality. Let us define first what is neutrality. Neutrality is a condition of a nation that, in times of war, takes no part in the dispute but continues peaceful dealings with the belligerents. Ito ay katayuan ng isang bansa habang may digmaang nangyayari sa ibang bansa. Ito ay pagkakaroon ng mapayapang ugnayan pa rin sa mga bansang naglalaban. Dapat wala tayong panigan. Neutrality is a status created under international law by means of a stand on the part of a state not to side with any of the parties at war. So what is then the crime of violation of neutrality? Article 119 of the Revised Penal Code states that violation of neutrality is a crime committed by anyone who, on the occasion of a war in which the government is not involved, violates any regulation issued by competent authority for the purpose of enforcing neutrality. From the foregoing, we can now enumerate the elements of the crime of violation of neutrality. The elements are as follows. First, there is a war in which the Philippines is not involved. Sa war po, dapat hindi kasali ang Pilipinas. Let's say, it is a war between China and US, not China against Philippines or US against Philippines. Second, a regulation is issued by a competent authority to enforce neutrality. Dapat may regulation sa Pilipinas na bawal tayong sumali o sumausaw o dapat wala tayong panigan sa kanila. The competent authority here can be the President. Third, offender violates such regulation. Yung nagkasala ay lumabag sa regulasyon na yon. Ang offender po dito ay kahit sino, public officer man o ordinaryong tao. Let us illustrate this crime. There is a war between China and US. Then the Philippine government issued a regulation to enforce neutrality. Pedro, a Filipino resident and citizen, called his friends in US to sell his collection of firearms to be used by them against the Chinese government. Here, Pedro committed the crime of violation of neutrality. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.